Good morning, America. It's Saturday, July 17th. I had to wait for the fog to lift. I could not see a foot in front of me. Finally started to lift. Went in and with a red mullet and fluke keeper. Well, this is a first for fishing here in the channel. I caught a skate, nice size skate. Thought it was a fluke. This is no fluke. Salmon red, Berkeley power bait. Oh, hold on, this is a fluke. Ooh. Well, just for the heck of it, I switched to chartreuse color. Fluke! All right, good morning, America. It just stopped raining, and it's actually almost afternoon, and there are big pods of fish in here. The bird's working over top of them, and I threw my line out and banged one of them. I have no idea what it is. I think it's a striper. Oh yeah, it's a schoolie striper. I caught it in the tail. There are thousands of these surrounding me right now, feeding on bait fish, pushing them up to the surface.